In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lead form in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the lead form option, how to set it up inside your asset groups, and how to tailor the fields so you capture the right information from potential customers. Start by opening Google Ads and heading to Campaigns on the left-hand navigation. From there, look for Asset Groups. This is where your creative elements live, and it's the right place to attach a lead form so it can show with your ads. If you're managing multiple campaigns, make sure you're inside the campaign where you want the form to appear. Next, decide whether to create a new asset group or edit an existing one. Creating a new one is helpful if you want a distinct theme, audience, or message, while editing keeps things consolidated if your current group already matches the offer. Give your asset group a clear name so you can find it easily later. Once you're in the asset group, expand the section labeled More Asset Types. From the list that appears, choose Lead Forms. This opens the setup panel where your form will be created and managed. Think of this as the front door to your offer. From here, people can submit their info directly from your ad without leaving the Google experience. Now, customize the form fields and content. Start with a concise headline and description that clearly state the value of submitting the form, what the person gets, and why it matters. Choose the fields you truly need, like name, email, and phone. Keep it focused. Shorter forms convert more often, while longer forms can improve lead quality. If you include custom questions, make sure they're straightforward and relevant to your sales process. Add a strong call to action, such as get a quote or sign up, to set expectations. Be sure your business name is accurate and your privacy policy URL is included, as this is required for lead forms to run. If there's a delivery message or thank you text, use it to confirm what happens next, like when someone can expect a reply. Before you finalize, take a quick preview to confirm everything reads clearly on mobile. When you're happy with the setup, click Apply to save your lead form to the asset group. That's it. Your form is now ready to appear with your ads, helping you collect leads directly in Google Ads. Keep an eye on performance, and as your results come in, refine your fields and messaging to balance volume and quality. Thanks for watching, and good luck capturing more leads with your campaigns.